So now today we are going to continue with the method of least square, second formula. Now the first step is always to find mean. So we find mean, that is x bar and y bar, where x bar is equal to sigma xi upon n and y bar is equal to sigma yi upon n. Now if, before we write this, now our regression equation or regression line of y on x is y cap is equal to a plus bx. Now the first thing is we want to find out,
Sir, in y bar sigma yi
yeah, upon n. Sorry, I forgot to mention sigma yi upon n. Now y cap is equal to a plus bx. Now over here, first we have to find out b. So in order to find out b, if x bar and y bar, or x bar or y bar are in fraction, but values of x and y are small, values of x and y are small, means what? That, say for example, x is given and y is given, x bar, y bar are in fraction, then this value is small, means say 1, 2, 5, 10, 15, 18, 17, 20. Generally, those numbers, without calculator also, you can find the square of it or you can multiply. Writing, please. Now, if x bar and y bar are in fraction and values of x and y are small, so in that case, b is equal to, or by on x is equal to n sigma xy minus sigma x into sigma y upon n sigma y on x. It is y on x. So n sigma x square minus sigma x the whole square. Now, no under root is required over here. A is equal to what? Formula remains same. Y bar minus b x bar. So please write this formula. Now, the regression equation is y cap is equal to a plus bx, where a and b are constant. So now we have to find the value of b. We want to find the value of a. If we know the value of a and if we know the value of b, then for any value of x, we can estimate the value of y. So b over here is for finding what? Finding y, which is dependent on x. That's why we say by on x. Got it, Deep?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now question number 2, exercise 3.1. To study the relationship between time of usage of cars and its average annual maintenance cost, the following information is obtained. Cars are given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Time of usage of car X, annual maintenance cost. Now, see, this is important. 1,000 rupees, that is Y. So X is expressed in terms of years and Y is expressed in terms of thousand. So ये 10 रुपए नहीं है, it is 10,000, 5,000, 8,000, 7,000, 13,000, 8,000. Please be extra careful about this. Obtain the regression line of Y on X. Find an estimate of average annual maintenance cost when the usage time of car is 5 years. Also, find its error. So, very important. Also, find its error. So, this is a new point. We'll see later on. Now, first, let's write the sum. See what formula we have to apply over here. X, Y. You can see while you write the numbers, the numbers are very small. So easy for calculation. 10, 5, 8, 7, 13, and 8. Always check the question after you have written 3, 10, 1, 5, 2, 8, 2, 7, 5, 13, and 3, 8. Cool. Now let's find the mean. So let's do the total. 1651. Now, let's find out mean first. Xi upon n. So 16 upon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 16 upon 6. Take a calculator. So you get 2.666666. So round off करना है 2.6. उसके बाद 6, उसके बाद भी 6. So we take it as 7. So this is in fraction. Y bar is equal to sigma yi upon n. So 51 divided by 6, 8.5. This is also in fraction. So because x bar, y bar are in fraction, we cannot use x minus x bar, y minus y bar. At the same time, you can see that these numbers are relatively small. So what formula should we go for finding b?
Second formula.
Which one?
is equal to
xy वाला formula. We use
Yes.
the xy wala formula. Now ध्यान दो please how to use that. Now first let me write regression line of y on x is y cap is equal to A plus BX. Now, ध्यान देना. Uh, First, we have to find out B, which is equal to By on X, which is equal to N sigma X Y minus sigma X into sigma Y upon N sigma Y on X. तो X नीचे X square minus sigma X the whole square. So now this will decide the columns. So now you can see the formula. You need X into Y. Sigma X and sigma Y we have already found out over here. And you need sigma X square. So let's write first XY. So we find out X into Y. You can directly do it without calculator. Very simple. 3 tens are 1 5s are 5, 8 2s are 16, 7 2s are 14, 15 3s are 65, and 8 3s are 24. Now, next column is X square. So X square, X ka square. So 9, 1 square, 4, 4, 25, and 9. So this is the total. Now, we have got X into Y, we have got X, sigma Y, we have got sigma X square. So let's apply it to the formula. Which is equal to N is 6 into sigma XY is 154 minus sigma X is 16 into sigma Y is 51 upon 6 into sigma X square is 52 minus sigma X 16 the whole square. So let's calculate. 6 into 154, 924 minus 16 into 51 is 816 upon 6 into 52 is 312 minus 16 square is 256, which is equal to 108 upon 56.
1.928.
1.92 1.92857 SRI 1.92857. So we take 1.93 because 2 के बाद it is 8. 8 के बाद it is 5. So 8 will become 9 and 2 will become 3. So 1.93. So B is equal to 1.93. Let's find out A. A is equal to Y bar minus B X bar, which is equal to Y bar is 8.5 minus B is in the bracket 1.93 into x bar is 2.67, which is equal to 8.5 minus 5.15, which is equal to 3.35. So A is equal to 3.35 and B is equal to 1.93. So we write therefore regression line of y on x is y cap is equal to 3.35 minus 3.35 plus b is positive 1.93x. If b is negative, this will be negative. If b is positive, this will be positive. So we have our equation ready. Now for any value of x, we can find the value of y. So let's check what we have to find out. The average annual find an estimate of average annual maintenance cost. Yani find value of y when usage time of car is 5 years. So x जो independent है वो 5 है. So putting x is equal to 5, y cap is equal to 3.35 plus 1.93 into 5, which is equal to 3.35 plus 9.65, which is equal to 13. So now x is equal to 5 and y cap is equal to 13. So when x is equal to 5, y cap is 13. So we write, therefore, when usage is 5 years, maintenance cost estimated is equal to, you have to write like this, rupees 13,000 rupees 13,000, or you can also write like this, rupees 13,000. If you write estimated cost is 13, your answer will go wrong because it is not rupees 13, it is rupees 13,000. So this is very important. Please be careful about this. You have to write this 13,000. यहाँ तक कर लो, then we proceed. Sum is not over. Now, over here, we have to also find its error. Now, what exactly is this error? Let's understand. Now, as you know कि ये information हमारे पास है that अगर कोई कार 3 years हमने यूज किया है तो उसका एनुअल मेंटेनेंस कॉस्ट इज 10,000. इफ वी हैव यूज फॉर 1 year इट इज 5,000. इफ वी हैव यूज फॉर 2 years it is 8,000 for car 3. If we have used for 2 years car 4, maintenance cost is 7,000. Car 5, if we have used for 5 years, maintenance cost is 13,000. And car 6, we have used for 3 years, maintenance cost is 8,000. Now, we already know this has already happened. So, this is our historical data. Historical यानी जो हो चुका है. Now, हम ये सब मेहनत क्यों कर रहे हैं? Why we are doing all these mathematical calculation is because we want to estimate. Now, what we want to estimate? We want to estimate the average annual maintenance cost when usage of car is 5 years. So for that, we use this equation, we found the value of B and then we found the value of A. Then we made a equation using this and we got this equation. Now, we estimated that if there is a car and if I use a car for 5 years, what will be my estimated? You can see this cap is estimate. So, estimated kitna hai? Estimated maintenance cost is rupees 13,000. So, over here we are estimating. Now we have to find the error of estimation. Now, what exactly is this? Let's understand the case that I ask my students that what do you expect your percentage to be in your board exam? So one student may say, sir, I expect to get 70%. Now, when the results come, when the results come, that student gets 71%. So can I say somewhere my estimation was not accurate? तो कितना error आया? The error is of 1%. If I ask another student, how much do you think you will get? What do you estimate? Because still exam is yet to happen. So that student says, sir, I estimate to get 60%. But when the result came, online exam tha, तो students scored 65%. What is the error of estimation? Can you tell me कितना error आया? कितने percent का?
5% का
5%. तो whenever we are estimating, ये एक अंदाजा है. हम estimate करते हैं. We are estimating. So it may or may not be same as actual. कोई ऐसा भी student था जिसने कहा सर I'll bring 80% और उसका exact 80% है. ऐसा भी possibility है कि नहीं? So here we want to find error of estimation. So let's write this. Error of estimation is equal to y, actual y, टोपी वाला नहीं, estimate वाला नहीं, y minus y cap. So now let's check what was the actual cost when usage was 5 years. Can you look into the question and tell me what was the actual cost taking place when usage was 5 years?
13,000.
Yes, for this 5 years, it was 13,000. So let's come over here, which is equal to 13. What is y cap? What we estimated? We estimated what? Again 13.
13.
So over here, what is the error of estimation? It is 0.
0.
So therefore, error of estimation is equal to 0. No error. No error. We have perfectly estimated. फिर डेविएशन जो भी आएगा वो यहाँ पे आ जाएगा. If it was 12 and 13, तो -1. If it was 14 and 13, so +1. That becomes the error of estimation. Over here, the error of estimation is 0. Please note this. Now, we will be doing one more sum, that is illustration number 2 from the textbook, page number 121. The monthly sale of different types of laptops in 100 units and its profit in lakh rupees. So these units are very, very, very important for last 6 months of a company is given below. यानी हर एक महीने का laptop sold 100 units. So this 5 is 500 and profit is 8 lakh. 700, 9 lakh. 500, 10 lakh. That's how you have to read it. Now, obtain the regression line of y on x. Also, find the error in estimating y for x is equal to 7. So, for number of laptops sold 700, we have to estimate what will be the profit, and then we have to check if there is an error, then how much. If not, then no problem. Now, let's start writing the question. First step, we write the question 5, 7, 5, 12, 8, 3. You can see numbers are relatively smaller. 5, 7, 5. 12, 8, 3. Then 8, 9, 10, 15, 10, 6. Let's check. Yes, that's true. So total comes to 40, and over here total comes to 58. Now, first step is, although numbers are small, you know it is easy to solve by x, y. But if mean is not in fraction, then preferably you have to use x minus x bar, y minus y bar only. So be careful, okay? Answer is going to remain same, but still we have to use the formula as per the methods only. X bar is equal to sigma xi upon n, which is equal to 40 by 6, which is equal to 40 divided by 6, which is equal to 6.666666. So 6.67. y bar is equal to sigma yi upon n, which is equal to 58 by 6, which is equal to 9.66666. So 9.6.
Sir,
और बोलो निष्ठा.
next bar we directly can't take 6.7.
No, here we have to go for up to two decimal places, okay?
Okay, sir.
Because you can see the profit is in lakhs. So a decimal point can also impact. So always go up to two decimal places, and that is how in textbook also it is followed. So we better go for two only. Let me confirm yes. Okay. Now
Okay, sir.
regression line, also known as line of best fit of y on x, is y cap is equal to a plus bx. This is our main equation. B y on x, which is equal to b, which is equal to. Now, because mean is in fraction, so what we use over here is n sigma xy minus sigma x into sigma y upon n sigma y on x. तो x नीचे x square into sigma x the whole square. यहाँ पे अंडर रूट है नहीं, so please be careful, there is no under root. Now we write the formula to decide the columns. तो ये फॉर्मूला देख के पता चलेगा हमें क्या चाहिए. सिग्मा एक्स सिग्मा वाई जो हमारे पास ऑलरेडी है, ये है सिग्मा एक्स, ये है सिग्मा वाई, यहाँ पे ऑलरेडी अवेलेबल है. Now we need x into y, so here we'll find out x into y, and we need x square. We don't need y square, so let's not waste our time on it. So x into y, numbers are small, 8 5s are 40, 63, 50, 180, 80, 18, and 431. Now, x square, x square, 25, 49, 25, 144, 8 8s are 64, 3 3s are 9. ये x x का टोटल 40 है, उसका डायरेक्टली स्क्वायर मत कर देना. ओके, इट इज सिग्मा ऑफ x स्क्वायर. सो x स्क्वायर का टोटल है, दैट कम्स टू 316. बी केयरफुल. ओके, बी केयरफुल. यहाँ पे भी जब मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हो 3 6 18, डोंट मल्टीप्लाई 40 into 58. Be careful, because 40 into 58 is sigma x into sigma y. It is not sigma of x into y. So be careful. Okay, यहाँ पे जो कॉलम है, जो ऑरेंज में मैंने मार्क किया है, वो सब टोटल है. कोई भी क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई या स्क्वायर करके तुम्हें लाना नहीं है. प्लीज बी केयरफुल. Now let's write this in the formula. B is equal to n is 6 into sigma xy is 431 minus sigma x is 40 into 58 upon n is 6 into sigma x square 316 minus sigma x the whole square 40 the whole square, which is equal to 6 into 431 2586 minus 2320 6 into 316 minus 1600, two 266 upon 1896 minus 1600, 296, which is equal to 0. Now ध्यान दो, it comes to 0.8986. So here we take 0.89 के बाद 8 है. So this will be, we add 0.01, so it will become 0.90. Therefore, B is equal to 0.90. Now, B मिल गया. Let's find A. Some students have started messaging me the answer also. Chalo, very good. Now, A is equal to y bar minus b x bar, which is equal to y bar is 9.67 minus b is 0.90 into x bar is 6.67, which is equal to 9.67 minus 0.90 into 6.67 is 6.003. So directly 6, which is equal to 3.67. Therefore, B is, sorry, therefore A is equal to 3.67. Now we have A, we have B. A मिल गया, B मिल गया, कोई मिल गया. आगे बढ़ते हैं now. Now, find the error in estimating y for x is equal to 7. So first putting x is equal to 7 in the equation. So first let's write the final answer. Regression line of y on x is y cap is equal to A, that is 3.67. B is positive, so plus 0.90x. Taking x is equal to 7, y cap is equal to 3.67 plus 0.9 into 7, which is equal to 3.67 plus zero point 0.9 into 7 is 6.3, 9.97. Now, first we write therefore for monthly sale of 700 laptops estimate profit is equal to rupees 9.97 lakhs. Now, let's find out the error for estimation. Error of estimation is equal to y minus y cap. Now let's check what was the actual profit when we sold 700 laptops. So when we sold 700 laptops, actual profit was 9 lakhs. So which is equal to 9 minus 9.97, which is equal to 0.97 negative. So this is our error of estimation, which is denoted by small e. E is equal to, okay. So small e is the error, which is minus 0.97.